Well, good morning. It's a rainy morning. It's all dark outside. Um, looks like it's it looks like it's nighttime out in the shop. Look out the window there. Yeah, yeah, raining like crazy again. Yeah, almost depressing. Oh well. Um, I'm gonna do a little electrical today, and I was thinking about doing something else too. See this grab rail? I like the darn thing because I think it's good for like when you go down the road and you need to move around back here. But it's kind of ugly. For stainless steel, it just does not polish up or anything. It looks pretty ratty. Um, it goes full length of the bus, both directions. And I took the one out on this side over here. It used to run right here where this light was. And I took it out because it was in the way of the bathroom. But I thought I'd leave this one in. Just yeah, you could use it for hanging towels on, drying laundry, even hanging things in your closet back here. So, right above the bed there. I got a light hanging on it right now, but I just thought it might come in handy. But I'm starting to rethink that now. Anybody want to put their input in on it? I was thinking about taking it out. I would have two of them and maybe even move them up onto the roof and use them for a roof rack or something like that. But just a thought anyway. I did get something in the mail. I got something from Amazon. I got the sheepskin seat covers, and not very happy with these guys. I'm going to go ahead and switch this camera around and I'm going to show it to you. Give me a second. Okay, this is what they're supposed to look like. And they were one piece. They were hard to find them in one piece like that. I put them on one of my seats. Here, let me turn this light around so you can see it a little better. Look at that loose-fitting, baggy. Oh, I'm just not very happy with that. I'm going to have to either try to modify it, or it fits the front edge of the seat down there pretty good, but it just seems to have a lot of extra material. And I've got it strapped down, but except for right there, I don't have that strapped down. It's comfortable to sit on. Comfortable as all hell to sit on, but it just does not fit that seat very good. And I don't know what to think of it. Maybe I'll try to modify it a little bit. Maybe add some extra elastic to it or something. Try to tuck it around. I may have to slice it a little right there, or modify it with a sewing machine to get around that handle. And maybe that'll help tighten it up a little bit. But the seat portion just is real long. I mean, look at the fold I have left over there after it's tucked in. And it's made for a lot larger seat than this for some reason. And it's really, really super long. I mean, you stand up the back of this thing and look at this. That seat would go at least to the top on the back of my head if I was sitting there. Yeah. Well, I'm going to pull that back off, and I'm not going to worry about that for right now. I think I'm just going to go ahead and start in on the wiring. Besides that, if I leave it there, you know what Ruby Doo will do to that thing. Yeah, he'll destroy it. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a couple minutes. Hey guys, I'm trying to wire in some stuff here. I guess who's crawling up on me here? Oh boy. Yeah, he won't leave my wires alone. There are too many things dangling around, driving him crazy. Oh, ropes. Oh, buddy, get down. Well, right now I'm stringing a wire from here up and running it along up here to this light. And basically I have to strip these wires so I can hook them into the other one there. And I always use this type of wire stripper, like them. You know what I use these for? Absolutely nothing. I hate them. The only reason I even have these is in case I can't find the other ones, which is quite often actually. Yeah, you hear all my stuff falling? Ruby's knocking everything off off my location I have them all set up at. Now I'm going to have a hard time finding them when I go to show you guys. That one was me. Can't blame too much for the kitty. I let somebody borrow these once, and they tried to cut hardwire instead of just this soft wire with it, you know, and it kind of dinged up the inside of it. Kind of makes me a little perturbed. Well, let me find my connectors. What? What do you want, Rubes? These are the these are the ones I'm going to crimp it with. You stick these. There it is. Just give it a little squeeze. It crimps it down a little. See the crimp mark in it? And it doesn't come off. Okay, buddy. Where'd you knock that other one? Here it is. Yeah, I know. I know all about you. Okay, got them both crimped. Now, I'm gonna, let me loosen this up a little. There's a couple wires I have hidden up here, see them? I'm gonna need to crimp these on. Red on red and black on black. I might have goofed myself here, I'm not sure. As I started to squeeze on the wire, I pulled away a little bit and it pulled it out before I had it all the way down. Yep. Goofed it up. Know what that means? Yeah, starting over. Story of my life. Actually not. When I stick to things, I stick to them long term. Just a tendency to be that way. I think I'll use a little bit larger connector. I think that was part of my problem. I'm working off camera again. Crimped on, see? Okay. Let's give it another try. Get this all ready to crimp. I'll stick that black wire into there, since I kind of bunged up my other one. And I know you can't see this, but I'm sorry. Wire's too short. You know what? It's a brand new crimping tool and it is not doing the job. My other one I left on a job I was working on, some house wiring, and it was my good one that I bought from Snap-on, and that was a really good tool, and I lost it. Okay, put that one on. I've been getting comments, everybody wanted to see the tedious stuff, so I'm trying to show you a little bit of it. And I don't really feel it's that that exciting to watch. And there it is. So slide that up a little bit. The rest of this will just get taped with black tape. You know what? You guys don't need to see me tape something, do you? I'll be right back with you. Okay, guys, I'm back with you here. Yeah, screwball's up there. I'm going to be taking this wire next, and I'm going to be, since I've got it armored, I'm going to put it up behind this here. And I'm going to go ahead and run it all the way down here. And down this corner right here so you can't see it right here. And I think that'll be pretty good. And I'm going to go find some hangers for that right now. And Mr. Pesty Boy would leave me alone. You know, every time I turn on the camera, it makes him crazy for some reason. He just, he goes dipshit on me. Yeah. He's on the stool now. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. He's just so lovey. It's raining outside again, and that makes him kind of weird, too. He gets really needy. So, I'm going to go find some hangers, and I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Well, that's a weird place to watch me from. What are you doing in the cabinet? All right. Have it your way. I'm going to put these wires in now. I'm going to put them up here. And I'm going to hang them with some little clamps. And I just wanted to show you what's going on. You know what's going on right below me? The kitty. He's right here. See? Yeah, he's kind of lovey right now. It's kind of hard to deal with. Okay, kitty, what are you doing here? Give me those. I want to be using this type of cable clamp on it. And they're just little plastic loops. And I'm using a 3/8 because if you use a quarter, like this cable here is a quarter, it's inside diameter, not outside diameter. So you have to go a little bit larger with the size. Of course, I can't seem to get this package open. And kitty, yeah, he's sitting on my knife. Ooh, I'm going to knock you out there. But anyway, this is what I'm using right here. It's just a little loop. The cat's rubbing my elbow. And I'm going to use some little short 1/2-inch screws. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this around the wire like this, and put the screw in it so it'll hold it for a second. Then I'm going to bring it up here and put it right up there like that, and I'm going to screw it in. And I'm going to do all this where I can't even see what's going on. Well, actually, I'm not. I'm going to have to hold it down here first. Oh. There we go. But basically that's what I'm going to do all the way across here. I'm going to put another one here and another one here so you can see what's going on. And I'm going to go ahead and get this finished up. I'll bring you back, show you all the finished work. Okay guys, I got it in. I'm going to tighten it up a little bit more. It goes over the corner, then it goes down there. And there's silly boy right there. He crawled up in here. What are you doing, Rubes? What a goofball. Okay, so I just want to show you what I was doing. I'm going to try to figure out what I'm going to do next, and we'll go from there, okay? I'll see you guys in a few. Rubes, you goofball. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What a goofy. Junk all over in your fur. Crazy kitty. Yeah. He's in a mood right now. Aren't you, Rubes? Rubes. What a goof. I guess I don't get to work up there anymore. Not for a little while anyway. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, my video is running a little bit long, so I think I'm going to call this the end of number 30, part 30, and we'll start in on part 31. I'll continue on with the wiring, and we'll see you on the next part. Okay?